Today, we've got an exciting topic lined up for you: how to make money online by being a video editor. Stick around because we're about to dive deep into this exciting journey. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and insights. Alright, let's kick things off by discussing why video editing is such a hot ticket to making money online. 1. The power of visual content. In today's digital age, visual content is king. From YouTube to Instagram, TikTok, and more, video content is everywhere. And businesses and content creators are constantly looking for talented video editors to make their content shine. 2. Growing demand. The demand for video editors is on the rise thanks to the rapid growth of online video platforms. More content means more opportunities for skilled editors. 3. Creative freedom. As a video editor, you'll have the creative freedom to shape stories, convey emotions, and leave your mark on the content you work on. It's an art form. Now that you know why video editing is a lucrative online career, let's talk about how to build the skills you'll need to succeed. 4. Learn the basics. Start by mastering the fundamentals of video editing software, like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Stay up to date with the latest features and techniques by following online communities, forums, and YouTube channels dedicated to video editing. Once you've honed your skills, it's time to establish your online presence. 5. Create a portfolio. Build a portfolio showcasing your best work. This is your calling card, so make sure it highlights your skills and versatility. 6. Build your website. Create a professional website to display your portfolio, contact information, and testimonials from satisfied clients. 7. Social media presence. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and share your work. Now, let's talk about how to find paying clients. 8. Freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are excellent platforms to find freelance video editing gigs. 9. Networking. Attend industry events, join online forums, and network with other content creators and businesses in your niche. 10. Cold outreach. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients or collaborators. You can charge per project or per hour, depending on your experience. 11. Passive income. Consider creating and selling stock footage, video templates, or video editing presets online. 12. YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel to share video editing tips, tutorials, and showcase your skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.